English Learners Podcast.
Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learners Podcast. I'm Tara.
And I'm Chris, still here, still talking too much probably.
Yes, as always. But that's good. It keeps things fun. So, today we're going to learn about, any guesses?
Food? Can we talk about food? I'm a bit hungry.
Not today, Chris. We're talking about adjectives in English grammar.
Ah, yes, adjectives. The words that make English colourful. Without them, English is a bit plain, isn't it?
Yes, a little flat. Imagine saying, I have a car. Okay? But what kind of car?
A fast car? A red car? A very, very old car, like mine.
See? That's the power of adjectives. They describe nouns. They tell us more about people, places, and things.
Wow, I am already excited about today's practice. Adjectives are really super important.
Right. So, before we jump into practice, let's keep it simple. Adjectives are just describing words.
Oh yeah, super easy really once you see a few examples.
Exactly. Shall we give our listeners some useful sentences?
Yes, let's do a few nice and slow.
All right, learners, repeat after us. The dog is big. The dog is small. The dog is lazy.
Lazy. Lazy like me on a Sunday morning, yeah.
Or every morning, Chris.
Ah, fair enough, Tara.
All right. So now that we've played with size and shapes, let's move on to something a bit more human. Let's talk about feelings.
Oh no, here we go. Are we doing therapy now, Tara?
Not therapy, Chris, just English. We're going to learn how to describe emotions using adjectives.
Wow, that's a relief. I was about to tell you all my problems.
Right then, so, adjectives can describe how a person feels. For example, happy, sad, angry, excited, nice and simple.
Happy, sad, angry, excited, easy peasy.
Okay, everyone, listen first. Then repeat with us. Speak out loud, not in a whisper. She is happy. She is excited. She is cheerful.
That's me when I find chocolate in the fridge. Happy.
Yes, Chris. Now another one. He is sad. He is disappointed. He is angry.
That's me when someone eats my chocolate.
Of course. All right. Next one. They are elated. They are joyful. They are excited.
That's me when I see pizza. Very excited.
You really only think about food, don't you?
Well, food makes good adjectives. Delicious, tasty, yummy. See, I'm helping.
All right, so let's pause for a second. Notice how easy these sentences are. She is happy. He is sad. Just 3 words.
Yeah, super simple. Don't overthink it. Subject plus is plus adjective. Done.
Exactly. And remember, you don't need big grammar books to practice. Start with small, clear sentences.
Little steps, big progress.
Okay, let's add a few more feelings. Repeat after me. I am tired. I am exhausted. I am knackered.
Oh yes, that's perfect. I'm always tired.
Yes, I've noticed. All right, next one, practice with us. We are excited. We are disappointed. We are angry.
That's me when Wi-Fi stops working. Very angry.
Okay, final one for now. You are surprised. You are excited. You are elated.
That's me when Tara actually laughs at my jokes, surprised.
Well, there you go. So, friends, what have we done here? We've learned to use adjectives for feelings: happy, sad, excited, tired, angry, surprised.
And you can use them every day. I am tired. She is happy. Super useful stuff.
Exactly. Remember, say them out loud, repeat slowly. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
Like brushing your teeth or making tea. Daily habit.
Yes, well said. All right, everyone, let's make adjectives even more useful. Now, let's bring adjectives into your daily routine.
Yes, real life, not just grammar on paper.
Exactly. Because grammar is only useful when you can use it in everyday life. So, let's describe our mornings.
All right, my morning, I wake up in a noisy house. I drink a cup of very strong coffee. And then I feel sleepy again.
I'm not surprised. Strong coffee, then sleepy again. Classic Chris.
What can I say? My mornings are chaotic.
My morning is quieter. I wake up in a small, cozy room. I drink hot coffee, then I take a long, peaceful walk.
See? Tara's morning is like a yoga advert. Mine is like a sitcom.
Both are fine, but notice the adjectives: noisy, strong, sleepy, small, cozy, hot, long, peaceful. They paint a picture. All right. Now listeners, repeat after us. And please, please speak out loud. I wake up in a small room. I drink hot coffee. I live in a noisy city.
Yep. London, noisy, busy, expensive. Oh, wait, that's another adjective.
See how easy it is? Just a noun, a verb, and one adjective.
Yeah, don't make it complicated. Keep it short and clear.
And it works for anything. Your morning, your lunch, your evening. Just add one or two adjectives, and suddenly your English is alive.
Exactly. Without adjectives, I'd just say, I drink coffee. With adjectives, I drink hot, strong coffee. Much better.
And much more like you. Let's try an evening routine. Repeat after me. I watch a funny film. I eat a delicious dinner. I read an interesting book.
Or in my case, I fall asleep on the sofa.
That's an adjective too. Sleepy sofa evening. So, do you see how adjectives change the meaning? They give you a picture.
Yeah, exactly. Without adjectives, it's just, she is. That doesn't tell us much.
But if you say she is happy, now we know more.
It paints the picture, doesn't it?
Yes. And that's why adjectives are one of the most useful parts of speech. Now let's try opposites. Repeat after us. The tea is hot. The tea is cold. The boy is tall. The boy is short.
That's me, short.
And me, tall. Perfect pair. So today we used adjectives to talk about daily life. Mornings and evenings. Small room, hot coffee, noisy city, funny film, delicious dinner, interesting book.
Yep, easy stuff. And you can do the same. Just add one adjective to your daily sentences.
That's your homework, friends. Describe one thing in your day using an adjective. Example: I ate a tasty sandwich. Write it in the comments.
And don't worry if it's simple. Simple is perfect.
Yes. Little steps every day. You're doing amazing.
Brilliant work, everyone.
We hope you learned something useful today. See how easy adjectives are. Just one simple rule. Adjectives describe nouns.
Exactly. Add them to your English and suddenly your sentences sound brighter, clearer, more fun.
All right. Awesome. So, friends, if you liked this episode, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget, write your own adjective sentences in the comments. We'd love to read them.
Keep practicing every day. Small steps, big results.
And remember, you're smart, you're funny, and you are amazing. 3 great adjectives just for you.
See you next time. Take care and keep learning.